In this demonstration, we will cover how to save files from the whiteboard on the PNC series. Using the drawing function, the entire screen becomes a whiteboard that allows you to draw and take notes. To open an image file on the whiteboard, select Options on the function bar at the bottom of the screen. Select Insert Pic. Select Internal Storage. Then select an image. Once on the whiteboard, you can enlarge or reduce the size of an image and move it around the display. You can also draw and take notes on the image. To save the image as a new file, select Options, Save As, and then select Internal Storage. You can save the file as a PNG or PDF file. Rename the file and select Save. Once the new file is saved to the board's internal storage, insert a USB drive. Save the file to the USB drive by selecting USB. Continue this process as previously demonstrated. To access a saved file from the home screen, select File Explorer. Select the whiteboard folder and locate the saved file. Select and hold the saved file for more options.